Hmm. Hi, SPCS. So the purpose of this video today is to show you how to make an assignment in Google Classroom, where really that starts with the drive. So I'm going to bring you over to my computer screen so you can see what's up. Um, so as you can see, I have mine organized by week with folders. You can choose to organize however you want to. For this, I'm just going to make one. It says Google example. We're going to hit create, and then we're going to come in and we're going to make a Google Doc. You can make whatever you need to. For this, a Google Doc is going to be just fine. While it's loading, what I would suggest is always like labeling it something that makes sense to you as well as to students. So for COVID, I've been labeling mine by day of the week and title. I'm just going to label this Tuesday example. I've also been putting the dates in, but that's just because I have older kids. So once you have made that, you can hop on over to your Google Classroom, and it looks like this. So to make a new assignment, you go to Classwork, and then you go to Create. You want to make it an assignment as opposed to any of these really, because that way you can assign a copy to each student. So I'm going to title it Tuesday's example. I spelled Tuesday wrong, but I'm going to click add. So I want to click Google Drive because that's what I made it in. I can attach a link or a file or a YouTube video, but for this, we're doing this. So the nice thing about Google is that it will show you your most recent work, which is what we had just made. Or if you're not seeing it in there, you can go to My Drive, you can go to your folder, you can go to your folder, and then you can attach it that way. So it automatically defaults to student can view file. We want to make it that make a copy for each student, and then this way it will assign a copy for everyone. When we're ready, we just hit assign, or if we're working ahead of the game, we can schedule a post based upon time and date, but that's going to be up to you. All right, I hope this was helpful for you.